So when you want? When you look at the police, what have you?
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, my people. And I mean, say attack. So, my people, right about now, my viewers and subscribers, I know, so we're there on the Niah-Gang story, my people. You understand? TikToker, who get corn up, who get cut down, my viewers and subscribers, right on him live. You see me? Very sad situation, and the whole surrounding of the situation, my people, now that I see so much people talk about it, just make the whole thing even sadder. So while doing this recording, my people, I not lie, it's a more sadder feeling inside of my people. You know what I mean? A more sadder feeling, no joke, more emotional feeling. You see me? And if you tell the truth, my people, I just get the footage of the aftermath of Niah-Gang, my people, and it touched me. You see me? I just get the footage of the aftermath. Meaning the footage, because you don't know, so we have the video with him when he was on live and what happened. That went viral. But I just get the aftermath, my people, and that's why I do this recording right now. You see me? It is really sad, my people. You see me, when I look and see how the man them do the youth. You know what I mean? Head bust out, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Bust out. And let me say something, my people. You see me? Because a lot of people don't understand, you know. You see, Niah-Gang situation, my people, it's a tough one. Tough one. Because remember, you know, Niah-Gang they on TikTok, my people, and him have him feud and difference with other TikTokers, you see it? But in his own place, you see me? Him and other people no cool, same way. You know what I mean? Him have enemies that's the same way. So look upon it, my people. Zin, how easy it is to get rid of Niah-Gang. And this is why we tell them, say, and we that tell any youth, badness and the media nah go work. You know what I mean? Which badness not good overall, but you cannot be a bad man and depend social media like, you see me? It not go work. So if you tell yourself, say, you're a bad man, you're a gangster, you're a shatter, and you are going to the media, it not go work. It don't make sense. You know what I mean? Because look upon it, my people. Alright. So Niah-Gang situation is where he have feud with people in his place. Just an example me I show you right now. Who in place now, you know what I mean? See where he have feud with the TikTokers them. And you know say TikTok feud them really serious. Because when I look back on video, you can see where threats are made towards them, my people. Serious threat. You understand? So look how easy it is now, my people, right? Say a man in a place now. And then just remember, you know, when other TikTokers tell him, say, yo, a easy thing to put all 200 on him head. What if something them doing and they say, you know what I mean, while them there on the level. But as I tell them, I used to see them sitting there and me just have flee say a game it out. You understand, people? Just feel say them just on a match thing. You know them match thing with them up on TikTok, and me just feel say that did go on. Me know say you know appreciate nothing serious. But me gonna show you say look on it, right? A man just link one of them, cause easy to find the TikTokers them, you know. Them have them page, you just link one of them and say, yo, look here. Me can match up that for you. And give them some intel, you see me? And show them say, look here, seriously, then can deal with it. Boom, them get the piece of food. That is it, my people. You know what I mean? That is it. Definitely I can say it was a hit. And a joke not go around thing, you know. It was a hit. Simple. Him dep on the live, my people. At the moment, at the time he's on his live. Whoever send the hit, that's what them want. Them want to see when it happened, when it occurred. You see me? I saw the thing set, my people. I pray the thing, the man. Pray logics, the man. And even so be the case then. If I not, alright, said them not put a hit that way then. And a man in a place want get him out. Easy. Because all eyes, no eyes not got depend who in place, you know. The eyes are got more there, just like how the eyes depend fellow TikTokers right now. Yeah, TikTokers are come forward and I say, yo, look here, I know them do nothing, them don't know about nothing, and them don't know about this. You get what me I say, my people? And this is why I say the media and the badness thing no work. You have to know the road where you choose youths and youths. You cannot say you be a bad man, a this, a that, and you're on the media. You know what I mean? I forward pan live and I do this. I will talk about this in a previous video. But I'm going to tell you and I put in the youth them ears, yo. Youth them need to learn. The end of the day, badness overall, it doesn't pay. You see me? When me look at me see the youth pan him grung, you know my people. Gone in him 2 foot of shoes them, you know my people. And yo, only thing, you know, it's like nothing. It's like you have a dog. Basically, me I tell you the truth, my people. It's like you have one dog at your yard. And you tell the dog, say, look here, don't go out on the road, and the dog go out on the road. And one car and truck or whatever forward and hit the dog. And the dog mash up and dead. And then people are come and say, look how me talk to the dog, and the dog no listen. I saw you that's in a gang on the ground, you know, my people. Only thing me a person over him I say, you know, when your phone, you see your phone, and them a look on him there on the ground, you know. Me I tell you the truth, you know, my people. A reality, you know. Yo, them thing I not joke thing, I feel the thing, you know, yo. You see me, as me say, me don't know the situation, you know what I mean, way in otherwise like with other people, but I me sip on live already with him and person in his own community in an argument. You understand? In a serious argument, serious. Me talk about it at the previous video me do and explain to you. Say, look here, Virgin, a time for you just get smarter, yo. It's time for you start think wiser as youth. You see me? We understand, say, you start off on a TikTok and I hit bill, you know. Basically because it make no gain enough fans, them it make no gain enough hype. You see me? But people, look upon it. Over and over I say this. Lot of uno rather put money towards these things. You understand? And influence these things. But you know say uno is part of the thing to be blamed to. Because uno are the one who see it, you know. Uno see it is like you have a, you know about weed, I'm showing you something. You know about weed planting? Alright. You know, so when you plant weed, you have a weed within the call it, so they wanna do, like a weed can be mad. And you see, if you not get rid of that mad weed, it'll go spoil up all your weed, them and make you all of them mad out. So you see, before from an early stage, when you see that mad weed, you get rid of it before it mash up all of the other weed. You see me? So what me I try showing you is like, you know, we see the direction of where these youths are go. And instead of Uno try to give them a positive advice, when they come and them do these bad man thing and say these things, Uno see them and laugh and I jeer them. You understand? And so Uno drop this, Uno give them on a wheel, Uno give them on this, Uno give them on that. You understand? But think about it. If Uno nena, then would they on the media go on with them bag of things, yeah? Which me know say every man have them own mindset. But lot of uno people who contributed to these things and push on money towards these things. Real people out there who do positive things and pray a positive way. Uno not contributed. But uno contribute to things like, you know what I mean? But nah, this not TikToker. That I saw them a live, I saw them a eat them food. But yo, the thing I drain the youth them star. The thing I mash up with Jamaican youth them star. The thing yo, it's a messy thing, you know. It's a messy thing, you know. You know see how fast the thing rise up, and you see how fast the thing build. And you know see how much youths been destroyed by this thing. Not just Jamaica, you know. All in America and them place, the Canada, me I tell you, you know. If you not watch news and I see what go on, you know. You see me? People, as me tell you, it's a sad situation. I mean, know people are going to send NEWLINK. We want to see the clip. You see me? Follow the Instagram, NEWLINK Production, official DM. You understand? Make sure you follow the IG. Because sometimes with the people, they don't follow the Instagram. And them a DM me and I say NEWLINK can't see the video. Me nah go send the video. If you don't follow the page, you don't have to follow and support the page. You understand? Support the platform. You see me, follow the TikTok NEWLINK production. Go over there and support the thing. Follow the XCM way. Support the movement. Contribute towards the thing. Give a donation to the channel. You understand? Because when we have this channel, we help people. We support people. We give back. Things like this people now support. You see me? We should not go force now to do this to that. But what I'm telling you. You see me? Niah-Gang. Rest in peace, bro. You understand? Rest in peace. And only just sees and he knows. But for the perpetrators, them man, as I say, I hope they can be found and they can be brought forward and be put to justice. Because, yo, it's a sad situation, man. Right on him live, my people. I say it over and say it again. And if you hear my tone, my people, it's a different tone. You see me, that one had the emotional tone, that one had the sad tone of voice, my people. No joke about it. Big up on yourself, man, and just stay blessed and just do the right thing, my people. You understand? One team, one dream, one scheme. Peace out. I'm out. Blessing.